What is up, my friends? My name is Kyle, and this is the Barbecue Nurse. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Barbecue Nurse, the only place for all you beginner barbecuers and pitmasters out there. Again, my name is Kyle, and today we're going to be doing something that I'm sure you all heard about, but probably didn't know what it was, but we're going to be seasoning a grill. Okay? So now, when you hear seasoning a grill, you're probably thinking, well, why am I going to pour salt and pepper all over my grill? That is not what we're talking about. Okay? Seasoning a grill means we're just going to oil it down, we're going to light up our coals and let it go. Okay? And what this does is this helps prevent rust. It also starts the beginning part of the non-stick process for your grates. Okay? All right. So, without further ado, let's head out to the pit. Yeah, buddy. All right. We're out back today with the classic Weber 22-inch kettle grill. This is like my third kettle grill I've ever owned, but it's my first brand new one, so we're going to season it. So what I mean by season is we're going to wipe the bad boy down on the inside with some oil. We're going to start up our coals, and we're going to let that bad boy just run and run and run until them coals burn out. So what this does is going to help prevent rusting, especially on your grates. It's also going to start that non-stick process on your grate. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to open that bad boy up, flip open that lid. So today we are going to be using grapeseed oil. So you can use any oil you want. You can use vegetable oil, canola oil. Don't use olive oil because it is low smoke point on that. But the grapeseed is a high heat cooking oil, which means it has a high smoke point, which means this oil isn't going to burn with high heat. Because once that starts burning, then you're going to start kicking up a bunch of smoke, and that's not what you want. Alright, so what you want to do now is you want to struggle off camera trying to open up the bottle of oil, which I am doing quite successfully, thank you very much. Alright, so you're going to take your oil once you get it open, you're going to draw yourself a little smiley face. Because who doesn't like smiley faces? You just grab some paper towel and you're just going to wipe that bad boy down. You want to make sure you cover just about every square inch of surface area on that lid. You just want to make yourself a nice thin layer of oil covering that whole thing. Take your time doing it. Okay. Alright. Once you're done, set that off to the side. And what you're going to do now is you're going to wipe down your grate. Now I know you've all seen pictures of people that have grills and they got all those rusty grates on them. That's because they didn't season it. So by wiping your grates down with the oil and getting that thin layer of oil on there, like I said, this helps to prevent rust, and it is the beginning part of making your grates non-stick. Now you also want to do this bottom grate too, because this bottom grate is where your charcoal is going to rest, which means this grate is going to be subject to a lot of extreme heat throughout your cook. And over time, if you don't season it, it is going to really start to rust out. So make sure you definitely get that bottom grate as well. Alright, get that bad boy out of there. Alright, what you're going to do now, just going to go ahead and oil down that kettle itself. So again, like I said, we're going to get every square inch of space on here. So that also includes the vent blades here. So you might have to move them around because you definitely want to get the whole area of the kettle. So make sure you move them things around too. You also want to get the parts where the grate's going to rest on as well. Alright, Once you're done oiling, just go ahead and put that bad boy away. Alright. Finish wiping that down the bottom grate. Put that thing in there. I don't have a trash can nearby, so I'm just gonna throw the paper towel in there. And then you're gonna grab your bag of charcoal. And you're gonna go ahead and dump a big old pile of charcoal in your grill. Now this is one of the times you're not going to have to worry about starting your charcoal in your chimney starter. Alright, so you're just going to make yourself a pile. Kind of rearrange your briquettes into a pyramid-ish shape. You kind of want that shape with your pile of charcoal. And just kind of move them around until you get that shape that you're looking for. Also too, when you're pouring your charcoal in your kettle grill, you want to make sure that the charcoal is not going past the area where your grate's going to be sitting. Otherwise your grate's going to be sitting on a pile of charcoal, which we don't want. So now I'm using lighter fluid. That's right, I said it, I'm doing it. I don't care, because you know what, I'm not putting any food on here right now. I'm not cooking. If I was, I darn sure wouldn't be using all that lighter fluid right now. So all I care about is getting these charcoal briquettes lit and getting them going. So yeah, I'm going to use lighter fluid, and then I'm going to walk around the grill for dramatic effect, lighting the charcoal. And now we got the charcoal lit, so now all we do is just wait for those charcoal briquettes to catch. Alright, our coals have caught, but as you can see, they kind of caught a little unevenly, which means they really kind of caught on just one side. But that's alright guys, like I said, we're not cooking on this thing, we're just seasoning it. So at this point, what you really want to do is make sure that that bottom vent is wide open. Put your lid on. And also make sure that that top vent on the lid is wide open, so we have maximum airflow through the grill to keep our coals good and hot. And that's how you season the grill, boys and girls. That was action-packed. Okay guys, sorry. I know it's boring and slow, but you know what guys? It actually is a necessary step in preparing your brand new grill to get ready to start barbecuing and grilling. Okay guys, leave a comment, let me know what you thought. If you got any value, like always guys, go ahead, hit that like button. While you're at it, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you know every time I put out a new video each week. Alright guys, that's all I got for you. You guys take care, stay safe, I love y'all, I'll see you next time.